Okay, so 5 reasons why I believe homes usually don't sell. In my understanding and my experience, I believe number 1 is actually the price. If you price your home very high, you're probably not gonna get as much exposure as you really need. Number 2 is the marketability. So if your house is not ready for the market, when people comes in, they see so many pictures, the house is not 100% clean, that really will affect the way how people will see the house. Number 3 is the curb appeal. If the house needs landscaping, there is not the perfect look from the outside, some people don't even bother coming in to look at it. Number 4 is actually the compensations. Some agents really, before they show homes to their buyer, they look at how much compensation the seller is paying. If you're paying low compensation, probably don't even bother showing it to them. And number 5 is the accessibility. If you make your home, you only want to show it during certain times, like weekend from 12 to 5, not everybody is actually available on the weekend. So my best advice, have the house always accessible as much as possible, so the most amount of people can actually see the house. This is in my understanding and my experience, and one has been proven through the years, the 5 top reasons why homes usually don't sell.